Alright, in this video we're going to look at making links between the buttons on your canvas to the pages that sit behind. So I'm going to quickly go into Commons, and what we need to do is we're going to download a fresh template just so you remember, and one we didn't do last time was the ASC assessment template. Assessment schedule, we want the assessment task template. So we're going to click on that. We're going to import it. I'm doing it in my sandbox, but you're choosing the course you're working on. Alright, so that now will sit in my course. What I need to do now, if it isn't there already, some of your buttons might work, some of the buttons may not, so we just need to check them. But let's just have a look. For example, well, that one worked. So let's pretend that didn't work. So we're going to go up here and we're going to edit our page. We can call the page whatever the subject is, because that's our landing page. And then we'll see down here that we want to remove a link. Okay, so we want to make that link to the first when, what, and how. So I'm going to go up here to the little links, click on the little down arrow next to it, and we're going to go to a course link. So I'm going to link that green button to another page, and that page is when, what, how, number 1. Okay, and that's done. And I'm just going to practice doing it. So I'm going to click back on here, on the down, I'm going to do a course link, and I'm going to go to when, what, how, number 2. And that's done. So we just basically are going to practice doing that all the way along, and it will link you to your different pages. So let's just go down and save that there now. Alright, so we have that there. So that is what we do when we want to link these buttons to certain things. For example, if you have your scope and sequence in a, hopefully in the SharePoint or in a Office Drive, and you click a shareable link that's view only, anyone with the link can view, you can go edit here. We're going to click on the scope and sequence. We're going to add an external link, and then you paste the shareable link in there, and then when the students click on that, it will open it up. Alright, so that is how we link our pages. And it's quite simple, so it's just that process of knowing that the buttons link to a page that sits behind this front page. Alright, hopefully that makes sense and it's helpful.